Khlieh phi baro kini gilonggi khubor bamta kasni. Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Jelaba Lahkmen Rymbui kasni ni kong la penyat ya ke Jingylang berkinong mi khmat juga North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association NEHU ta bar ka KSU NEHU unit. Banyak keran halor ke jing ha ke jing penyat kam hapo ka North Eastern Hill University NEHU. Kam tam namar ke Jingbym don ya Vice Chancellor but Pro Vice Chancellor. Hagani ka Jingylang ki NEHU ta ba ka NEHU Students Union kila kentujur ya ke Sorkar Jelaba kan shimkhya khamkloy ya kilat kilenti. Kenang baga jing tray kam jing Skulbah kan syakta ki kan hon kila penpau ke jing smokhya ke bajur halor ke jing thali ha ke jing Ialam ka ta jur ki kam puli kam penyat kam bar kam wat benya research. Habukran kilat pathai kubor hadin ke jing Ialang uba Lahkmen Rymbui ulaong ba ka Sorkar Jela kala tip hai ke jing khya jing ke jing bar kalong ka bakloi banwat ikalat kelenti ha kapor ka bakhamjan. Ula banjur baka NEHU kum ka wayne ki Skulbah bakongsan hakari kadai bantri kambha bar khlam jing penthun. Umentri ula pentip ru ula tho si umentri Puli Putih ke Sorkar Pedeng ha ka khat santrik no pra arhajar arpsan da ka bakerpat ika jing penbej ka bakerki bat ula persang ru banyo ika jing Ialang banyakren halor ka nega kam. Ula ong ba kalong ka basngosen bat ka basngokya ba ka Skulbah Pedeng kum ka NEHU kadang tri kam khlamdon yu Vice Chancellor ka blawan ra ika jing bamsyai ha ka jing penyat ba ka jing rai. Uba Rymbui lapan pau ba Namar ka Jingbym don yu Vice Chancellor but Pro Vice Chancellor bun ki kam bakongsan kum ka jing pinna ya ki result exam ka jing ai jing menjuri ki PISA research ka jing pelait ki payment ber ki kam disiplin kelas ateng. Ula maham balada kani ka jing kanang yaine kan kta juri ki samla puli ki college ba so bad ya ka academic calendar. Menteri ula pentip bagi bor badai pet kila sedang ya ka jing tokit fact finding inquiry ban bisyari ka jing long jing man menta. Handai ula priang bawat ke jing to ke kamla ban bujli ke jing don kam jong ke jing Ialam manna ke sni ke badan kam bhana ke benta ke jing tray kam jong ke Skulbah. Ulong syu bakala bantung yu acting vice chancellor kala jenja Namar ba pro vice chancellor ula kentait ban shimti ke kam. Kad baki kendon an ki dawa ba professor barang ba atam ba ubabiang ya ki kendon udai ban shimti ke jing ba Khlieh hakum kini ki por. Uba Rymbui loong ba ke Sorkar Jela kala penskau ke Sorkar Pedeng ba kilat shipor kenlong ki babiang Henry kadon kam kerki bantung no yo Vice Chancellor bapura khamtam na ka benta ka jingmentoi jong ki samla puli ka jingthmu jong baro kalong ba ka imlang salang puli kan syakta kanu ka jingpen slam kan wanra ka jingta ka bajur tang ka NEHU Henry ki college ba yaso ru ong umentri ula pentikna ba ka Sorkar Jela ka shim ya ka kam da ka jingkya ka bajur bar kandang yai beteng ban but dien bar ka Sorkar Pedeng. Nang baka NEHU kan yok biang ya ke jing Ialam ka baskem bar ka jing long pat ba ha ka por ka ba kham kloi.
4 organization from NEHU, they come and meet me to apprise me about the situation in NEHU. The association from META, from NEHUNSA, from NEHUTA, and the KSU NEHU unit. They come, as you know that for the past more than 400 days, there is no Vice Chancellor in the campus of NEHU. The Vice Chancellor, Professor P. Shukla, he have been out of station, as I said, for more than 400 days. So the NEHU decision in NEHU have become paralyzed. More so because of the resignation of the Pro Vice Chancellor of NEHU. So this thing has become quite difficult for the NEHU to run. Our priority is that whatever may be the thing, that the universities should function and should not affect the student community in NEHU. But as of now, we learn that without even the Pro VC in Shiliang campus, it is very difficult for declaration of result, for payment of wages, for sanctioning of different seminar and all, or for the more importantly for the declaration of result. And or the program of NEHU. So they come to apprise me, and as you know also there is one province in Tura campus. As per the statute in NEHU, that whenever there is no VC, the provice chancellor of will take over. But they inform me that the province of Tura is not willing to come over to Shiliang. So we have to find the solution. And I have informed my officers to arrange the meeting with the Pro-Vice Chancellor of Tura to see what is her view, so that the government main intention is that the program, the student community should not be at all affected in NEHU. Because if it is affected in NEHU, that means it affects all over the state, because many of the colleges are affiliated to NEHU. Even the scholarship of students also, it will be affected. And as you know, as of now, there is no registrar, it's totally, so to say, I myself, I don't know who run the NEHU and how they could run the NEHU. I have written to the Honorable Union Minister on the 15th of December. I have tried to meet him. I will try again to have a meeting with him that a permanent solution could be arrived so that the functioning of NEHU, the premier university in India, could be the academic business, and that running should be smooth. But for the present, we have to find a solution within the statute of NEHU. How? When there is no VC, the province will be as acting VC. But when the province is not willing to come to Shillong, so how to find the solution? So I have told my officers to contact the province and have the formal dialogue, the formal consultation, how this issue could be resolved temporarily, and let the ministry ask, and when the ministry able to find the replacement, they may post brief. But we cannot wait for the day-to-day affairs of NEHU. As I said, that it affects the student community, not only of NEHU but all the affiliated colleges. If the result could not be declared on time, if or the program of NEHU, and as you know now, the government of India or Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he really want to take the education into a new height. That's why a new education policy 2020 have been launched, and every day new circular from a different regulatory authority have been given to different state government, different university. But if there is no head, how to go with? So it is a central university. I find that it is incumbent upon me to see that this issue could be resolved immediately for the benefit of the student community.
So,
See, the ministry are very serious. That's why they have institute an inquiry headed by Professor D.P. Singh. And that inquiry, they have submitted the report, but till date, we don't know what is that in that report. And number two, that even without VC, within the statute of NEHU, the NEHU is guided by the statute, can always find the acting VC in absence of the regular VC. But this, as I said, if there is no VC, the Pro VC will take over. But Now the province as where they make me understand that it's not willing to come to Shillong to take over as the acting. So what is the solution? The solution is that the NEHU statute don't have the power to appoint the acting authority. They have the power only if the present incumbent who is not willing to come Shillong resign from the post of VC as Professor Undar resign, then only the senior most professor could take over from NEHU. So these are the things which within the NEHU itself, leave aside what the ministry. So we, the state government, Honorable Chief Minister, have tried to impress with the government of India that the permanent solution could be resolved. So we have to tackle two issues. One is the present context and one is the permanent solution.
So,
Everybody is could see it. As I said, I don't know who is running the NEHU. Now it is autopilot, so to say. So, but you know, without the person who will run, how the different program, how the academic calendar, and how everything could be settled, we need to arrive. The earlier is the best. Thank you.
So one of the points